This is the tutorial for the line dance Miss Me Now. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, high improver level line dance to a song of the same name by Sophia Scott. There will be 2 restarts as well as 1 bridge, but let me first show you the steps. Section 1, starting on our right, walk forward 2 steps, walk, walk. Anchor step with right, anchor step. Shuffle back on left. It can either be a locking shuffle or just a shuffle back normal. Back, together, back. Turn a quarter to our right, stepping right out to the side. Point left out to the side. As we point left, we'll snap both of our fingers out to the side, whip our head to the right side and look over our right shoulder. Section 2, turn back a quarter, stepping forward on left. Half turn, stepping back on right. Continue traveling over the left with a triple half turn or shuffle half turn, side, together, quarter turn. Rock forward on right, rock, recover. Take a big step back on right, dragging your left heel. Drag, close, left next to right. Section 3, walk forward 2 steps, right, left. Sailor step right, sailor step, sailor quarter turn left, sailor quarter. Step, quarter turn to our left. Step forward on right, pivot quarter turn to our left, weight is on our left. Last section, Dorothy step with our right, Dorothy step. Step forward on left, light into the diagonal. Lock right behind left as we pop the left knee out. Turn a quarter turn to our left with a triple step, shuffle step with left. Step, together, step. Step, pivot, half turn over our left shoulder. Step forward on right, pivot, half turn. Weight is on our left. That's the end of the 32 counts, and we begin the dance again facing 9 o'clock. So those are the steps. Let's put some counts to all of that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And you begin the dance again facing 9 o'clock. There will be a restart on wall 2 after 24 counts. Wall 2 starts facing 9 o'clock, so let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you begin the dance again with the walk, walk, anchor step. On wall 4, we'll dance 16 counts and restart. Wall 4 starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of 16 counts, and we start the dance again facing 12 o'clock. On wall 8, there will be an 8-count bridge that happens after 16 counts. That's going to happen at our 3 o'clock wall, but let me show you what the bridge looks like. Starting with our right, rock out to the side, side, rock, behind side cross, behind side cross. Rock left out to the side, side, rock. Turn a quarter to our left with a coaster step. Coaster step. Bridge with counts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But that's going to happen at our 3 o'clock wall after 16 counts. Let me show you what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we add the 8 count bridge, side, rock, behind side, cross, side, rock, quarter, coaster, step. We're now facing 12 o'clock and we start the dance again from the beginning. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy.